Hey guys, it's your girl DVEJU VU, and I'm back again with another amazing video. So for today's video, as you all can see, and you guys don't know, I filmed this video 4 months ago, and I decided to post it now because I was supposed to do something else with this video, but I decided just to post it now. And I decided to make this video day 2 of Vlogmas. And I know, I'm not doing no traditional vlogless. I'm not doing no traditional vlogmas like the rest of the girls around the world and on the tube. I am just going to be sure to post every single day in December so that I can still get, more views, more subscribers, and more content pushed out in this month alone to prepare me for 2021, which is approaching in the next 4 weeks. So I decided, instead of doing traditional vlogmas, I'll just be sure to post every single day. And if I don't upload every single day, I will be uploading at least 4 times in the week, so your girl can be popping. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You already know about the title. We are doing a really dope, simple, basic winter look. You can do this look every single day if you want to. You can do this look for whenever. It's just a really cute, simple, basic look. And I thought, why not show the girls the look for Vlogmas Day 2? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe, turn on your post notifications to be notified every single time I post another amazing video. Check out the description box because there'll be really cool things in the description box. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Tell me what y'all think. Turn on your post notifications so I know it's real. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if y'all like it. Stay tuned. And yeah, let's get right into it. So sorry I wasn't looking at you guys. I was looking at myself the whole entire time. I'm literally just doing this in the middle of me editing. I realized I don't really have a real introduction for this video, so I'm like, let me just make one real quick so I can get this content pushed out for y'all. But yeah, I'm so sorry. I hope you guys still enjoy and watch. Okay, bye. Okay guys, so we're going to get right into the look. First, we're going to brush up our brows so that our brows can, look fuller and look natural and be, in place, so that when we get ready to use our Kiss Dip brow, the brows can look very natural and it can go in the same direction. After this, we're going to use our LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. You guys already know I use this faithfully. This is my go-to. I'm going to be using that to highlight my face, to conceal a little bit, and to also shape up and clean up my brows, because we need that look popping. We need it extra clean. Y'all see that right there? Y'all see how that's gonna come out? Yeah, amazing. Take notes, girls, take notes. Okay, so after we fill out both of our brows, we're just going to take a damp beauty blender. I really need to buy a new one, so if y'all listening for Christmas, I want a new beauty blender, family, friends. But we're just going to blend out the concealer, and we're going to blend it. I was going to say blend it out. We're going to blend it out very naturally, and then we're going to brush up the eyebrows again, just to make it, look more clean, and anything that we may have wiped off when we were concealing, we just put it back in place. And then I just took some more of the concealer from the LA Girl Pro Concealer, put it on my eyes. Now I'm taking the Makeup Forever translucent powder, and I'm going to put that and set it on my eyes, so then we can prepare for foundation. For eyeshadow. I'm using this BH Cosmetics palette by Sylvia Gani, and I'm using the colors Rebel just as a base color for my lids, to make it very natural, blend in with the rest of my face and make it pop a little. I'm then going to take, this Black Radiance contour palette and also blend it in a little bit more in my face, just so it can have some more natural undertones and pop out when I get ready to add this super cute blue to my face. It's called Unapologetic because I am unapologetically doing this look for y'all. So that's just a little dab of blue, a little dab of icy, a little dab of winter on the lids just to bring out the look a little bit more. Now, as I've stated, we're going to just take our concealer again and, you know, put it in our highlighted areas, on our nose, on our under lip, on our chin, and under our eyes. Then we're going to blend this out with the damp beauty blender. And then after that, we're going to go back into our Black Radiance contour palette in the shades medium to dark. And we're going to contour our face. And we're going to put on some highlighter and lashes. And we're going to be done with the look. So keep watching and stay tuned. And also, this is the banana powder that I just used to set that or whatever. So keep watching. So the lashes I'm using are the IEnvy Demi Wispy lashes. So guys, that actually is not eyeliner. I just kind of put it on there like it was eyeliner, but it's actually lash glue. And I don't know where I don't know what the company is. I actually got that from my best friend. She gave it to me because she doesn't use it. But I tried it out and it's pretty. It's okay. It could definitely be better. It could definitely hold longer. So I still had to use regular glue, you know, regular lash glue, because that, you know, lash liner glue wasn't going to stay on my eyes for forever. So I still had to end up using regular glue. But I just used some regular beauty supply lip liners to line my lips, and I'm using the Colourpop Bff Mascara, and then I'm gonna throw on some lip gloss, and then y'all gonna see my final look. You know, highlight the brow bones, period. Y'all see my brows, fire, period. This is a really, really dope winter look. That's coconut oil, NYX, NY or NK or beauty supply brand lip gloss. And this is the final look. Y'all see, you already know what it is, period. Like, share, subscribe, bye.